She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites.
Okay, let's pack my adorable casemate bow tote. So to keep it aesthetic and organized, I use these extra little pink bags. They're like from Hobby Lobby. They're Stony Clover dupes. And I just put Mariposa's extra diaper, swim diaper, her swim toys, these water balloons she loves so much, the reusable ones. This sunscreen I like to use on her arms so that when she wipes her eyes, it doesn't irritate them. And then for her face, I actually just use this Naked Sundays, same as the one that I use for my face, because it's not irritating. For my body, I've been using this Vacation sunscreen spray and some shimmer oil. This is SPF lip gloss by Vacation, and honestly, I actually need it. My lips have been burning a lot this summer. And some hand sanitizer in 2 different fragrances because options. I keep my earplugs and goggles in my bag with me in case I'm not alone and want to go swim laps. Our cute pink towel and the waterproof protective phone case little purse thing for my phone that matches the casemate bow tote. And here we are just prepping to get in the pool with our sunscreen. Oh my gosh, I love my body so much that I am making a human, but pregnancy is not my favorite. The poor veins in my legs that are popping out, I'm thinking about maybe getting compression pants just to help with it. They went away after Mariposa, and a doctor friend of mine did say that if they don't go away after this pregnancy, there's surgery. And I am just so excited to get on my weight loss journey, but I've actually been really strong this pregnancy and weightlifting and working out and doing bar and Pilates still. So let's go get in the pool. It's so cute. Mariposa just loves the pool so much. I love it too. I'm so excited for whenever both of my girls are big enough to swim with me and play in the pool and stuff. Because I love it. I love it so much. I don't care about my hair or makeup typically. Okay, it is my plan for this summer to get cuter lunchbox, cooler box things, because they're the only things that I don't have that are aesthetic that we use all the time. Here's your water. Here's some water. No water? Okay. Look, we've got, and I want to pack cuter snacks, but it just is what it is sometimes. I brought us both hot dogs. I put mine in the mustard cottage cheese. It's not appetizing looking, but I brought a fork from home. Brought some strawberries. Let's see. And of course, ice water. But yeah, just a little picnic snack lunch for us. And then when we're done here, we will get in the car and I will drive her around. She'll be ready for her nap, which is perfect because she naps in the car. I'm gonna do a whole nap time routine in the car situation. Luckily, she doesn't need to stay in the car to take her full nap. Me and Carter can carry her car seat into her room once she's asleep and she doesn't wake up. But she's still in her infant car seat. She is not outgrown by weight or height yet. But after our vacation in July, we're gonna get her a toddler seat because we're gonna use this old seat for the new baby. And I'm we're gonna find out if she'll stay asleep, if we unbuckle her and bring her inside. I don't know what it'll look like, but these little peanut butter crackers, these are so nostalgic for me. And I've been loving them this pregnancy. It's all the nostalgic flavors. So anyways, I've packed for the ride back because she needs her pre-nap comfort. But yeah, so I'm back on my little cottage cheese, and honestly it's a hot dog, not even sausage, but yeah. There's one without it. I'm gonna take the top off. might go to Starbucks on the way, like driving her around, because sometimes like after a pool day, going and getting the vanilla bean frappuccino with an affogato shot of espresso on top is like so delicious. Anyways, yeah. When people are like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're gonna be like super pregnant in the summer, it's gonna be so hot, like, are you any more comfortable in the summer not being pregnant? You can just get in the pool and float and cool off. I will say it's completely different having a toddler and being pregnant, obviously, but I just didn't like realize, because I was a nanny while, no, you just eat that. You want a fork? Do you want the fork? Here's the fork, look. But like, I only worked like 8 to 3. So like after that, like I got to sleep through the night. I wasn't on 24/7. You know what I mean? Like when you have a kid and you're a stay-at-home mom, like you're on all the time. And it's different. Do you want some cottage cheese, please? Oh look, he's on rollerblades. Okay. Look, I'll dip it. This is how I get a good eater. She eats, she's curious about whatever I eat, so now that it's all age appropriate, she can have it. Do you want a bite? Look, I dipped it. Oh. I dipped it. You weren't even looking. Look. Eat it. Yep. And that, she eats literally everything. So. She's not necessarily always in the mood for it, but she eats everything. Okay, I need this. I'm gonna take a bite now. Some water too. Oh, I forgot your little. I love these water cups for her, but when we're at the pool, I usually try to bring her like a metal one, because when it heats up, it does taste like plastic, but I forgot to today, so it's okay. She can obviously share with me as much as she wants. Okay, so we're in the car. I took my hair down. I honestly took my bathing suit off. I should have brought like a cover up or like a t-shirt, but I'm like pregnant and so big right now that it just, I'm sorry, let me turn that air down. I'm like so pregnant and big right now. I feel like it's just like digging into me, even though I bought like a larger size. You just like can never tell like what you're getting. And when we're not like at like the YMCA or like as public of a pool, I don't know, maybe the other pools, I'll wear like the drawstring bottoms because that's at least like comfortable, but my butt is so big that like, I don't know, I just feel like everything looks inappropriate on it, which is normally like not an issue for me, but like I do feel like at certain family places, like I understand like there's a time and a place. It's not like a thong or anything, but I just, everything becomes a thong on my butt. So going to Starbucks, wishing I had like Aquaphor in my car. Mariposa took them out of my car because she likes to play in the car when it's not on, like in the garage. Like she's just into cars and Hot Wheels right now. But I'm going to Starbucks to get my vanilla bean frappuccino, because like after the pool, getting a vanilla bean frappuccino with like the affogato style espresso shot is so good. And then I was like, you know what, to save money, because I'm going right back home. She's already asleep. She's like not even falling asleep. She's already asleep in her car seat. I'm gonna go home. I'm just gonna make my own espresso because I'll want probably like 2 shots, I'm thinking. It's only 2 o'clock, so I was like, I'm just gonna get just the frappuccino because I can't like make that the same at home. I'm sure I could, but I don't have the things right now. So I'm gonna just get the frappuccino and then take it home and add espresso to it, and yeah, so that's my plan. And then when she wakes up from her nap, I think me and her and Carter will go to a different pool that's like more kid friendly, that has like more of a kid area and like more things to play with and stuff for her size. So that's gonna be fun. What is like your favorite like summer drink, or like like if you've been at the pool all day, like what's something that you just like crave? Like leave that in the comments because I'd love some more inspo. Okay, I'm just getting a mobile order for Carter.
For Carter?
Yeah.
All right, before
Can I get a sorry, no, that's okay. Can I get a Trento water with no ice, please, as well? It doesn't let me add that to the app.
Okay, yeah, I can do that.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
And that water.
Have a great day. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, see how beautiful, gorgeous, white with the vanilla speckles. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It's gonna be like way too sweet without the espresso. It needs that bitterness. But yeah. I thought that shot had like, I thought like the video had the logo in the front, but you guys may have been looking at the order sticker the whole time. So much for trying to be aesthetic. But yeah, I'm just going to sip on this. I always try to get like a Trento water when I stop at Starbucks, which is not often. I'll say it's a lot more often during pregnancies for whatever reason, but this is so good. So I'm gonna sip on this, sit on the couch, elevate my feet for a minute, and probably try to shoot some more content because it's fun. I might watch a little bit of my show. I've been rewatching Pretty Little Liars, but I just realized that there's like, it was supposed to be a spin-off show. There's only one season, but Ravenswood. So I'm watching the 10 episodes of Ravenswood. Thought that would be fun. And then I just got the Ina Garden memoir from the library, and still has my maiden name because I never thought to update my library card. I actually had trouble. I had put a book on hold a few weeks ago and had trouble finding it until I was like, wait a second, it's probably my old last name. But yeah, I'm just gonna like sit down and relax. Thanks for spending the day with us.